Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with travelers for claims status and documents, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with travelers for claims status and documents, start by gathering necessary information. You will need your policy number and claim number readily available. Visit the traveler's website and navigate to the claims section. Look for the option to authorize a third party, which may be labeled as authorize access or manage authorization. Click on that option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your information, including your name and contact details. Next, input the specific details of the third party you wish to authorize. This might include their name, relationship to you, and their contact information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays in the authorization process. Once you have entered the necessary details, review the terms and conditions carefully. Agree to the terms provided, as they are essential for granting access. After agreeing, submit your authorization request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. It may take a short period for travelers to process your authorization. Check your email or account notifications for any updates regarding the authorization status. Once authorized, the designated party will have access to your claim status and relevant documents. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Travelers Customer Service for assistance. Keep your information handy for faster support. This concludes the tutorial on how to authorize with travelers for claim status and documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.